Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Google Play Games data to Game Center. But before we dive into it, be sure to check out our latest content in the description below. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure the Google Play account you're using is the one you want to link to your Game Center account. To do this, open the Google Play Store app, then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu where you can see the email addresses of all the accounts linked to your Play Store. Make sure you select the correct email account that you want to use for transferring data. Once you've verified the account, you can close the Play Store app. Now, launch the Google Play Games app. Once you're in the app, look for the 3 horizontal lines or dots in the top right corner. Tap on that, and from the drop-down, choose Settings. In the settings, you'll see various options related to your account. The most important setting to check is Profile and Privacy. Many apps these days include an option called Automatically Sign In to supported games. If this setting is available, make sure to turn it on. This option allows you to seamlessly transfer your game data from Google Play Games to Game Center. Unfortunately, if this option isn't showing up on your device, it means this feature may not be supported on your device, but you can still check if it's available. And that's it! You should now know how to transfer your games from Google Play to Game Center if the option is available. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe using the link in the description. See you in the next video.